Taking the ball in front, press into the ball slightly, reach your arms up over the head, and then release the arms back down. Reach and lift. Crown of the head is lifted, palms face forward as you open the arms up. And last one. If you've got the ball, squeeze the ball as you lift, so you're engaging through the muscles of the back of the leg. And lift. And dropping the forehead toward the floor. If that's too much, just lose the ball, have your hands on the mat. Press down into the feet, rising up. Option for arms up over the chest. Squeeze the ball, release. Squeeze, release. Hips are high, so your shoulders, your hips, your knees are roughly in alignment. Squeeze, release. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, and releasing. So if you're without the ball, left foot above the right knee, breathing up and down the spine.